That's what we got for snow, people. You're noticing that my car is gone. It was. It is right there, what you can see of it. This is the snow from our storm here. This is that lamp post stands about 4 foot tall, 3 foot tall or so. You can see that it's buried. That's my neighbors across the street. Look how high that drift is. That's halfway up the house. That's just unbelievable out here. Here's Margie's car. You can see that it's just buried in there. See, it is right by the... This is what I walked out to when I opened the garage door. That's huge. I'm holding this perfectly straight. Look at this snowdrift right here. This happened in March. For you, Robin, and all you Southerners. Both Robin, Suzanne, and Ray, and Jim, and all those, everybody. This is a winter storm. And once again, there's my car. It's buried in. You can see my antenna sticking up out of nowhere in the top of my car. Right there.
Hi, this is my car.
There's what's left of Margie's
Lovely.
car.
My last winter in central New York. Bye.
Well, we're getting closer to the end of the driveway. We've got...
She loves the snow. Come on, Sid. Come on.
There she is. She can't figure out what's going on here. Why there's so much snow, though. Here's how deep it is. Look at that. Look at Margie. She's almost as tall as I am, and that's almost as deep as she is tall. Dum-de-dum. Make sure we know where we're walking. Here's also how deep it is. Margie, go stand over there next to that pile. Might you see how deep this is? Look at that. Look how deep the snow is. Yeah, there just goes the dog trying to get up there.
There's the dog trying to get. Come on, come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on.
Huh?
She's all right, right?
Yeah. That's how deep it is.
All right. Did you catch the dog?
Garage, here is the aftermath. There's my neighbors, still plowed under. There's the snowbanks. It is a total mess. Let me walk out here for a brief moment. Here's what the plow gave us. See how deep that is? He's standing next to it. There, right here, is where the plow top is. And that's him. My car extracted from the snow. Let me get a close-up of my neighbor's driveway. You can see how deep the snow is. There's my posts again. Where's the other one? The other one you can't even see anymore. There's my neighbors, my good neighbors. That's my goofy neighbor. This guy over here, look, you can hardly even see their cars. Look at this weather. That's how bad it is. And he's still plugging away. It took us about 4 hours or 3 hours to clean this up.